Hello, children. Welcome back to your EVS class. How are you today? I hope everybody is fine at home. I am Ankita Srivastav, proceeding with the same topic, our neighborhood. Children, yesterday, as we have already discussed, what is neighborhood and some of the places in our neighborhood. Today, we will proceed with some other places in the neighborhood. But before explaining, we will read the chapter first. So let's read with me. Chapter 3, Our Neighborhood. The area around our home is our neighborhood. We see many places in our neighborhood. Let us learn more about them. The post office. The post office helps us to send and receive letters and parcels. We post our letters in the post box. We can also buy postcards, stamps, envelopes, etc. from the post office. Children, I have already explained what is post office and how post office and postman helps us. The school. A school is a place where we go to learn to read and write. We play and make friends there too. We also do many other activities in school. Children, yesterday I told you about school. You can do many activities over there. I told you all. The police station. The police station helps us to keep the neighborhood safe. We go to the police station to complain about stolen things and about accidents. Children, you can dial 100 number on the telephone to call the police when there is an emergency. Children, do you know our neighborhood has a police station too? Good. In the police station, so many policemen are there. They protect us from thieves. Now, fire station. We call the fire station when there is a fire at home or in the neighborhood. A fire engine is used to put off the fire. Children, if there is a fire at home or in the neighborhood, in this case you can dial 101 number to call the fire station. Understood? Okay. Now tell me, to whom you call if there is a fire in your neighborhood? Yes, very good. You can call fire station. The firefighters come to our area in red colored fire engine. They use water hoses to put out the fire. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now, the playground or the park. We go to play or walk in the playground or a park. There are swings and slides there. There are also benches on which people can sit. Children, when you want to play, you go to the park or a playground. You can play with your friends in the park. You can go for a walk and for a picnic too. You can also enjoy the swings in the park. There are many swings. Now, the hospital. There are times when we fall sick. At such times, we go to the doctor's clinic or a hospital. The oldest general hospital in India is the Presidency General Hospital. It was built by the British in Kolkata in 1707. So children, a hospital is a place where we go when we are sick. The doctors take care of the sick people, and the sick people are called patients. I hope you all understood today's lecture. Now, this is your homework time. Read these pages aloud with the help of your parents. Dear parents, go through the PDF and help your ward to read these pages aloud. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.